Hey guys, welcome back to CodeCraft with Oshan. You probably heard words like database management system, RDBMS, SQL and MySQL. And a lot of beginners get confused about what each one really means. So today, we are going to explain each one in simple terms. And by the end, you'll clearly know the difference between MySQL and SQL. So let's start simply. A database is just an organized place where we keep related data stored electronically in a computer. It helps us to manage and find and update information easily. For example, think about a school that keeps information about its students, teachers, and courses all in one organized place. So that place is called as a database. Now, what is DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. It's a software that lets us create, store, manage, update, and get data from a database. Some well known examples are MySQL, Oracle Database, and Microsoft SQL Server. A simple way to remember it, a DBMS works like a bridge between the user and the database. Next is RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It stores data in a table made of rows and columns, and these tables are connected to each other, which keeps the data organized and avoid repeating the same information. Some common examples are MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle database. Now let's talk about SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is the language we use to talk to a relational database. With SQL, we can create databases, create tables, add data, get data, update data, and delete data. For example, a simple command like this can pull all the records from a student table. That's the kind of thing SQL helps us do. And finally, MySQL. MySQL is one of the most popular relational database management system in the world. It uses SQL to store, manage, and retrieve data. It is also known for being open source, fast, and secure. So to sum it up simply, SQL is the language, and MySQL is the system that uses that language to manage your data. So that's a simple breakdown of database, DBMS, RDBMS, SQL, and MySQL. If this helped to understand your things better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So, thank you for watching. Bye, guys.